name is Corn.
My name is Steven.
And we're here to bring you guys a challenge. Steve, go ahead and tell them what the challenge is.
The challenge is we're gonna eat this Korean firecracker noodles. And we got some Fireball. We're gonna drink some Fireball before we eat this Korean noodles.
What's this challenge called?
It's called the Hadouken.
Are you ready for this? Because I don't know if I'm ready for this spiciness in my noodles and this Fireball in my stomach.
And we're gonna do a twist. We're gonna put some sriracha in it.
Crazy.
All that spices, bro.
You're crazy.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom a lot today. All right, you ready to open the package? Let's do it. All right, we got some of the sauce. We're about to put in, squeezing some of the sauce in here.
I'm scared.
I'm scared too.
Bro, how do you even open this?
I can't even.
Bro, you should've got scissors.
How'd you open? Oh, I got it. I got it.
Bro, this is black. It's not even red.
Oh shit.
Bro, look at this. You guys see this?
All right. Oh man, I'm not ready
It's
for
on my
this.
fingers.
All right, we're about to pour it in.
Whoa. This joint is black.
Black.
Look at this.
All right.
Oh my gosh. Bro, I can't even use chopsticks, bro.
Cause you Indonesian, you ain't real Asian.
Shut your butt up.
Oh yeah.
Dog, this is deadly. Smells good though.
I'm gonna be in the bathroom a lot today.
Oh, I'm about to sneeze.
Gotta get my tum-tums ready.
Look at it, look at it. Look at.
Oh, my stomach already feels weird.
Bro, it smells deadly, bro. It smells deadly. You know what I forgot? Napkins. It's all good though.
You know what you forgot?
What?
The sriracha. All right, I'll pour some on yours. You pour some on mine.
Yeah. Not that much.
More.
Nah, I'll put more. Put more. Okay.
All right, your turn.
Ready?
Oh shoot. Chill, boy.
Bruh. Go ahead.
You guys ready for the Fireball?
You do the honors.
I'm only gonna pour halfway because, oh my god. Ooh, that's a lot.
This is how you know you Asian.
That's a lot. These are Jello. We got Jello cups over here.
We got the soy sauce cups, the goat cups.
Alright. Alright, gotta get your mindset into this. Alright, we gotta take the shot first. Alright, ready? Are you guys ready for us? Cause I'm not.
Cheers. Oh snap.
Alright, digging in.
Oh, smell that.
Okay, again. Bad. Good. It's actually not that bad.
Not bad. Alright, I'm coming in.
Woo-wee.
Bruh. I'm breathing in fire. That's what it tastes like.
I think I should take another shot of Fireball. What you guys think? I'm gonna do it for you guys.
Let me do it for you.
No. Stop. Don't kill me, bro.
No, like this? No.
Chill,
Wait.
chill.
No, wait.
Boy.
This is right?
Yeah. Hadouken.
Bruh. How's that taste?
Tastes a little weird.
Actually tastes pretty good. I can't eat anymore, bro. Does it make it better? Fireball?
Yeah, dude. It's not that hot.
No, it's spicy.
I don't got the flavor. It's a lot of noodles.
I'm crying, bro.
Just some thick ass noodles.
I'm crying. Bruh, nah. You make spicy. I can't even talk. Ooh. I'm sweating. I'm sweating.
Slow and steady wins the race.
What race, man? I won. I finished first. Don't pass me that water. Where's the water?
Here's the ice cream.
Oh, hell yeah. This joint got me crying. Good spoon? No? Is this? Ice cream tastes so good. Just want to thank whoever made this ice cream. Bro, that's that Fireball sauce. Oh, I gotta drink that. Oh shit. Woo. You good? Oh, do it good again. Oh. It's all good. I worked out this whole week. I need to
Finished it.
now you gotta slurp that joint. Slurp, slurp. Drink the sauce, the Fireball sauce. Come on. I'll tell you what. Look. This is where you sip it. Left. This joint.
All right,
Let's do it. Actually, give me that Fireball real quick.
you about to do it? You about to do it? All right,
Nah,
my
you
man.
gotta do it.
No, chill, boy.
You gotta do it. Come on, I'll take a shot with you. Give me your shot. You gotta do that. Okay.
By the way, we don't condone underage drinking.
Yeah.
So, do not drink if you're under 21. All right, let's do this. Woo!
Come on, son. Come on, son. Go, son. Yo.
No. 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 Oh, my stomach feels so funny.
Oh, yeah.
I think this challenge was a success. What you think, Corn?
I liked it a lot.
But it was pretty good. If I was to eat it by itself and enjoy it, I think I'll put some meat in there, some cilantro, some bean sprouts.
Yeah. I put everything in. I just won't put the little spicy things in. Yeah, thank you to Fireball.
Fireball, the company Fireball with the dragon.
Thank you to
whiskey. Samyang. Thank you, Samyang.
Yeah, ramen. Hot
Hot ramen.
Thank you to Häagen-Dazs.
All right.
Thank you to Steve Coy.
Thank you for Steve Coy. 'Cause,
Yeah.
you know, I'm the best.
Thank you the best. Thank you to Sriracha.
Sriracha.
Always the plug.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you to all y'all.
All right. Thank you for watching.
We out.
Let us know what our challenge should be next week. All right. Peace.
Peace.